show this, but I have a tape. They are cannibals? This is your father getting his morning paper. You're videotaping my father? I shot this over the course of several mornings.
Bastard.
There it is. Exhibit A.
A tattoo?
No.
Look at what your father made. Oh, hi.
Isn't this a beauty?
Who cares about the damn birdhouse?
Hey, whoops. Little, porno party. Come on outside now. Show me where this goes. Come on, take me out. Put it up on the tree, man. Who's the fat ass?
Frank.
Holy crap. What the hell is going on here?
We're just having a few laughs, you know? Neighborhood bloopers.